Hello, happy shut-in everybody. I'm still working and I was a bit too worn yesterday to do anything. Today, I don't know, we'll see what happens. This is an old one, kind of fits the mood of the week. Walking along with you, wondering what we should do on this rainy day here at home. And I'd like to take you. If the rain would stop, let us alone. When I'm alone at night, my mind puts up a fight. When I'm without you, babe, I don't know what to do. Waiting and wondering, do you like to do the things that I do? And is there any chance of loving you? 'Cause I really like the way that you move. You take me to your room with just a smile. Maybe make me happy for a while. Walking along with you, wondering what we should do on this rainy day here at home. And I'd like to take you. If the rain would stop, let us alone. And I'd like to take you. If the rain would stop and let us alone. Alright, well, that's an old song I wrote. Wrote a song about it. Well, rainy day. Hang in there, everybody.